Hello बच्चों, welcome to Richa Ma'am's class. In today's class, we are going to discuss some practice questions of chapter Angle and Shapes. Here we will discuss some 3D shapes, area and perimeter. Okay, so before starting this video, pause the video, solve the question by yourself and then check your answer and tell me in the comments how many questions you were able to solve. Okay, let's start. So first question is saying find perimeter of the regular hexagon. So what is a regular hexagon? A regular hexagon is that hexagon whose all sides are same, which has all same sides. So if one side is 4 centimeter, the other sides will also be of 4 centimeter. So hexagon has how many sides? Number of sides will be 6 because it is a hexagon and one side is 4 centimeter. And what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all sides. So what will be the perimeter? Either you add 4 6 times, or what you can do, just multiply 6 with the 4. So your answer is 24 centimeter. This is your perimeter of this regular hexagon. Now the second question. Find perimeter of given compound shape. So you need to find the perimeter of this shape. How can we start the perimeter? Think. Always choose one point. So I am choosing this point. Okay. So I am starting from this point. First move in this direction. So P is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 9 plus 4. We reached this point again. Okay, let's add them. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 9 24, 13 plus 9 24, no 22, 22 plus 4 26. And what will be the unit? Centimeter. Again check. 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 2 22, 22 plus 4 26. So 26 centimeter. This is your perimeter. Okay. Now the next question. The next question is saying draw two rectangles with same perimeter as this rectangle but with different areas. What the question is saying? The question is saying that you need to draw two rectangles with the same perimeter. That means the perimeter should be same but with different areas. Okay. So first of all, think what is the formula for the area? The formula for the area is L into B. That means if you want different areas, the L and B should be different. L and B should be different and perimeter should be same. That means the sum of all sides should be same. Clear? So let's start and see how can we approach this question. So you need to draw two rectangles with the same perimeter as this rectangle. So first of all, find the perimeter of this rectangle. So P is equal to, if this is 7, this is a rectangle, the opposite side will be same. So this will also be 7 centimeter. If this is 4, this will also be equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. So what will be the perimeter? 7 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4. Add them. 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 4 22. So what is your perimeter of this rectangle? 22 centimeter. That means if you are making any rectangle, the perimeter should be same. The perimeter should be of 22 centimeter. Okay. Now for the two rectangles, let's do the partition of this page. So this is for the first, this is for the second. We know the perimeter is 22. Okay. That means we need to do the 2 part of this 22. तभी तो perimeter होगा ना, तभी length होगा. So basically P क्या हो रहा है? P is 2 times L and 2 times B. यही तो हो रहा है फॉर्मूले में. You are adding 2 times L and 2 times B. 2 times you are adding length and 2 times you are adding B. So first of all, what will you do? You will do the partition of this 22 in 2 parts. Okay. So suppose here I took 18. Okay. The first part is 18. What will be the other part? 19, 20, 21, 22. That means 4 centimeter. If you add 18 and 4, you will get 22. Are you getting this thing or not? See, perimeter is sum of 2 times L and 2 times B. So what did I do? I just break this 22 in 2 parts, 18 and 4. In the same way, I will do here again 22. Now break this again in 2 parts. The sum of here 7 plus 7 is 14. So I can't use 14. I can take 16. Okay. After 16, if you want to reach 22, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That means 6 centimeter. 16 plus 6 is 22. Okay. This is the way of doing this question. Now, this 18 is basically 2L. So, what is the value of L here? You will divide this 18 by 2. That means 9 centimeter. And what is the value of B? Divide this 4, 2 centimeter. In the same way here, what is the value of L? 8 centimeter. 2 8s are 16. And what is the value of B? 3 centimeter. Clear? Because this is the value of 2L. And this is the value of 2B. And we need to find the value of L and B. For that, we need to divide this by 2. So, first of all, we find the perimeter. Then we did the 2 parts of the perimeter. The sum of these 2 parts should be equal to this. Then we divided these 2 parts by 2. Now we know the length is 9 centimeter and the width is 2 centimeters. So we can draw a rectangle using this. So 9 centimeter can be my length and the width is 2 centimeter. So this is my rectangle which has the same perimeter as 22. So this is 9 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. Okay, now for this, what will be the length? 8 centimeter. 8 and 3. 8 and 3. Okay. So this is 8 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Clear? This is the way of solving this question. Okay. Sure. Now the next question is saying, draw 2 different shapes with an area of 20 centimeter. What is the area? What was the formula for the area? L into B. Okay. Now the area is 20. Draw 2 different shapes with an area of 20 centimeters. So again you need to think 2L and B. So which 2 numbers if you multiply and you can get 20? Think 10 2s are 20. Right? 10 2s are 20. Right? And think again. Give me some other number. 5 4s are 20. So for the first shape, my L is 10 centimeter and my B is 2 centimeter. Because you need to draw 2 different shapes. Now for the second shape, L is 5 centimeter and B is 4 centimeter. That's why it is very important that you should know the formula for the area. The formula for the area is L into B. Now area is 20. Which two numbers you multiply to get 20? 10 2s are 20. So L is 10, B is 2. 5 4s are 20. So L is 5, B is 4. Now draw two different shapes. So first of all, 10 centimeter is the length and 2 centimeter is the width. So this is my first shape. Okay, so length is 10 centimeter and the width is 2 centimeter. Clear? Now for the second shape, the length is 5 centimeter and the width is 4 centimeter. So 5 and 4. So this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. Clear? Okay, so whenever area is given to you and you need to draw the shapes, what will you do? First of all, you need to find the L and B, because for making any shape, it is very important that you should know what is the length and what is the width. When you find the area of this, 10 into 2, 20, 5 into 4, 20. Okay? The next question. The next question is about the closed and the open shape. Add one face to each so that it forms a net of closed shape. So we know that for the closed shape, how many faces should be there? There should be 6 faces. Okay, and how many faces are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now think, how can you draw a face to make it a closed shape? So suppose this is my base. Okay, this is my base. So this will be here. Now this will come here. This will come here. So these two parts are closed. Here it is closed and here it is closed. Now this part will come here. So 3 sides it will be closed. This side will come up. That means this will be the top of my shape. Now only this side is open. So what should I do? I should draw a face as this side. So this is my face which you need to add. Okay. So this was my base. This closed, this closed, this closed. And this will come at the top. See, this will come here. It is like this, this and then. Okay. Now this part will come here and it will close it. Okay. Now look at this face where it will close. So suppose this is my base. Okay. Now this will come here and this part will come here. So this side it will be closed and this side it will be closed because it will go like this. So first of all it is like this. When you closed it, it will become like this. So it will close like this side and this side. Both the sides are closed. This will close this side. This will close this side. Only top is remaining. So what will you do? You will add one part here and that will close the top. So this is the face which you need to add. Okay, clear? Now tell me the name of these shapes. We discussed these shapes. What is the name of these shapes? This is a prism structure. This is a prism. And which type of prism is this? Which shape is this? Triangle. So this shape is triangular prism. This is triangular prism. Okay. And what is this shape? This is a pyramid. This is a pyramid. And what is the base of this pyramid? Square. So what is the name of this? Square based pyramid. Square based pyramid. Okay. This is the base. The base is square. So this is a square based pyramid. This is a shape of prism and a triangle is there. So triangular prism. Clear? Find area of this shape. So for finding the area, you should know the length and the width, and the shape should be either rectangle or the square. But this is a compound shape. So what should we do? First of all, we should draw a line to make a square or rectangle. Okay, so I draw a line here. Now if this is 6 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, so what will be the length of this rectangle? This is 6. If this is 4, this will also be equal to 4, and the total is 6. So what will be the length of this? 2 centimeter. The length of this is 2 centimeter. Easy. So for the first, what will be the area? L into B. That means 3 into 2. The area is 6 centimeter square. Okay. For the second, what is the area? What is the length? Now the length is not 6. The length is 4 because it is from here to here. 4 multiplied by 2. Okay. So the area is 8 centimeter square. So what is the area of compound shape? Area of compound shape is 6 plus 8. That means 14 centimeter square. Clear? So this is the end of this chapter. Tomorrow we will start a new chapter. This chapter is little bit tricky but most important chapter and very scoring. So you need to practice. If you found any difficulty in any type of question, comment me that question and I will solve it for you. Till then, take care and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed.